The top 10 benefits of owning a peace lily. Peace lilies are admired for their graceful, lush foliage and delicate white flowers. They add a touch of elegance to any room. Peace lilies are excellent natural air purifiers. They can remove common household toxins such as formaldehyde, ammonia, and benzene, making the indoor environment healthier. These plants release moisture into the air, increasing humidity levels. This can be particularly beneficial in dry indoor spaces. They are relatively easy to care for, requiring minimal attention in terms of watering and lighting. This makes them an ideal choice for both experienced and novice gardeners. The name Peace Lily is fitting, as its presence often promotes a sense of calm and serenity in the environment. Studies have suggested that having indoor plants like peace lilies can boost productivity and focus, making them an excellent addition to workspaces. The greenery of peace lilies can have a calming effect, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. These plants can help remove allergens from the air, potentially providing relief to those with allergies or respiratory issues.